Welcome to the Blue Mahoe Overwater Butler Villa at Sandals South Coast. As you walk into your villa, you'll find your fully customized bar. Before you go on your trip, your butler will reach out so that you can fill out a form that has all of your favorite items that you want included. It also has an espresso machine and a cooler full of your favorite drinks. Moving on, you have a little seating area, and then to the left you have the main bedroom with this awesome glass see-through feature on the floor, which is really awesome. Moving along to your left, you'll find your luxury bathroom. And then as you can see, your shower that has two doors, one coming from the inside and one going out to your deck. You have your outdoor shower and soaking tub looking out over the turquoise waters. And then you will also have your private deck that has loungers as well as a dining set for two, and your loungers down on the second portion of the deck, plus your floating device out in the ocean so that you can swim and really take in the Caribbean. Moving back inside the double doors, again you'll see your bedroom with the high ceilings, and just picture yourself waking up to this beautiful view of the Caribbean Ocean and going out to your deck to have your cup of coffee. If you'd like to book your trip to Sandals South Coast in the Overwater Bungalows or any other Sandals location, please reach out to Infinite Adventures Travel. I have it linked below for you, and we'll help you find the perfect Sandals resort for your next romantic vacation. Thanks for watching.